Are you a content creator drowning in the endless demands of social media? What if one powerful AI tool could generate all your content for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and your blog instantly and for free? If that sounds like a dream, then this video is for you. Today, we unveiling the revolutionary AI YouTube Content Factory, a tool I personally designed to solve the biggest content creation challenges. Imagine this, you find an amazing article, a trending YouTube video, or even a compelling social media post. Instead of spending hours brainstorming, writing, and adapting, you simply take that link, paste it into the AI YouTube Content Factory, and watch the magic happen. This isn't just a content spinner, it's a comprehensive content generation suite. With just one input, you'll receive a complete package for your long-form videos. This includes SEO-friendly titles, detailed descriptions, and full video content scripts. But it doesn't stop there. You get these scripts in multiple languages, making global reach effortless. Plus, you can choose between a single voiceover style or a dynamic conversational podcast format, perfect for diversifying your content strategy. For your short-form content, which is crucial for engagement today, the AI YouTube Content Factory delivers ready-to-use scripts for platforms like YouTube Shorts and TikTok. Each short script comes with specific text-to-video prompts, enabling you to generate captivating visuals with ease. This means you can create viral-ready content in minutes, not hours. Beyond video, the tool is a powerhouse for written content. It generates full SEO-optimized blog posts, complete with a feature image prompt, ensuring your website gets the organic traffic it deserves. And for your social media presence, it crafts engaging image posts with relevant hashtags, helping you maintain a consistent and professional brand across all platforms. Visuals are key, and this factory understands that. It provides stunning thumbnail prompts for your main videos, ensuring high click-through rates, and detailed text-to-video prompt for your long video B-roll, bringing your stories to life. Plus, it generates all the essential key tags and hashtags to boost your discoverability. One of the most powerful features is its flexibility. You can integrate your existing social media platform links directly into the system. And the best part, every piece of generated content is fully editable and customizable. You have complete control to fine-tune it to your brand's unique voice and style, anytime, anywhere. Now for the announcement you've been waiting for. The AI YouTube Content Factory is completely free with lifetime access. All you need is a Google account to get started. No hidden fees, no subscription, just pure, unadulterated content creation power at your fingertips. This is my commitment to empowering creators like you. So, if you're ready to revolutionize your content creation process, save countless hours, and amplify your reach across every platform, then it's time to get your hands on this tool. Contact me for access, subscribe to this channel for more innovative solutions, and follow me on social media to stay updated. Let's make content creation effortless together.